Girls. Oh man, yeah, that was... What a day. That was such a good stream. That was a good one. That was a legendary stream. Many moons ago. Probably like 6 streams ago. Nearly there. Bake a pie while building Diagon Alley. Instructions unclear. Built a pie out of Lego. Put it in the oven. Gave myself fume poisoning. Oh god, I can't show you it. I'm that tired, I swear. Built Lego set out of pie crust, it kept crumbling. Off to make dinner. I'm making Dan noodles by recipe Teneats. Okay. Enjoy. Basie, thank you for hanging out. Been here for quite a while. It was nice chatting to you. I'll talk to you soon. Stay square. Enjoy dinner. Hey, I might even still be going after you finish eating. Knowing me, almost certainly. But if not, good night for Basie. Have a great night. Oh no. Oh, so much yawning. Am I making you guys yawn every time I yawn? Bet I am. I'll feel better after I eat, probably. Speaking of, I never found out the name of those delicious Chinese dessert noodles. Oh no, yeah, I remember you talking about that. Thanks for the wow. Oh wow. You're welcome. Bye for Basie. Of course, now you likely would. Yeah, probably. It won't take long. Someone make a clip compilation of every time I yawn. At a total loss for what they're called. That's a shame, because I was really interested in that whole thing. Okay, bag number 5 does not have any minifigures, so we can get straight into the building. That part of the music makes me think of GoldenEye on 64. Which has some of the best music in any video game. Come at me. Yeah, and that part as well. This whole song has to be inspired by GoldenEye. I'm pretty sure I've said that before on stream. That part sounds like Facility, which I would play on stream if it weren't, you know, putting me at risk of DMCA or whatever. Because the GoldenEye soundtrack is incredible. Although, I wonder if video game soundtracks are okay, because like, if you're playing the game, it plays the music, and you don't get DMCA for that. Oh, I'm gonna put this one on the other way. Please don't insist I call my ex-GF to get the noodle name. We haven't spoken in 3 years. No, you definitely don't have to do that. Definitely not. We'll get to the bottom of it one day. I have faith. Oh no, I can stop yawning. Ugh. I wish I could stop yawning, that was. But you got to admit, Barnstar, it would be pretty funny to just call up your ex-girlfriend having not spoken to her 3 years and just being like, what were those dessert noodles called? It's a power move. Like, yeah, hi, hey, yeah. Listen, I don't really care how your life's been going. I just wanted to ask you, those dessert noodles that you gave me that one time, what were they called? Oh, right, that's what it was? Alright, cool, thank you. And you just hang up. If I were her, I'd be like, wow. Wow. Hey, we do have that one. We do have that wow. I forgot about that. Which is better than the Owen Wilson one, honestly. Hey Tammy, so remember those awesome dessert noodles we ate at that place after that movie? Yeah, exactly. It's perfect. It scared the ever living out of me. Good. You deserve it. Oh, got a step. Do that a lot. Unsub, unfollow, undiscord. Alright, wait, Discord? We have a Discord? Since when do we... I beat you to it. Darcy, don't act like we'd miss him. It's no real loss. It's faster to talk, that's a type! Yeah, a likely excuse.